Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am gonna show how to make rig car with Duik Bassel 2 in After Effects. Let's begin. So, vectors from firpic.com. I will add download link and project files. Select this background and city, lock layers. Then select this body, press P, right mouse, separate dimension, and make new X and Y keyframes. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut, you can use hold shift and press page down in the keyboard. Make new keyframes. Again, go to 10 keyframe and new keyframes. Okay, we have 3 keyframes and let's go to first keyframe. Select X keyframe, first keyframe, and move to left. Okay, go to last keyframe, move to back like this, and select first Y keyframe, move to down, and go to Y last keyframe. Move to up. Okay. Then select this window 1, window 2, reflection and black and man. Parent to this body. Okay. Go to window. Open Duik Bassel 2. Click here. Connector. And click this circle. Let's create new slider. Select this slider, move to here, and select this 2D slider, press S, change scale, okay, and select this X keyframes, select axis X, and click connect to properties. Then select this Y position keyframes, go to here, change axis Y, and connect to properties. Let's see, select this 2D slider shape layer, press P, and okay, nice, not bad. Then select this body again, press R, go to first keyframe, make rotation, go to 10 keyframe, again new rotation, and again go to 10 keyframe and new key. Okay, we have again 3 keyframe for rotation, and go to first rotation keyframe, change 3 like this, and go to last keyframe, select last keyframe, change 3. Okay, select this rotation keyframes, go to here and click this slider, select this body, move to here, press S, change scale, okay, and select these keyframes, click connect to properties. Okay, let's see, select this, press R, change rotation. So nice. Then let's create new null object for controller all this car. Right mouse, new, and null object, and hold control, double click for move the anchor point to center. And let's change size. Okay. Add name, car, control. Then select this body, parent to this car control, and select this well 2 and well 1, press R, open rotation. Let's parent to this car control with expression. Select this car control, press P, okay, and hold Alt, click here, parent to this, okay, and again hold Alt, click this icon, open expression, and parent expression to this null object. Let's select this car control and okay, then select this well 2, well 1, well back 2, and well back 1, parent to this black. Okay, let's say again. Okay, nice. Then select this window 2, Control D for duplicate, and select this reflection, move to center, this layers, window layers, and if you not see here, click toggle switch and change none to alpha matte. Okay, nice. let's make slider for this reflection. Press P, make new position keyframe, go to 10 keyframe and move to here. Okay, we have 2 keyframe and let's click this slider. Okay, select this reflection shape, press S, change scale and move to here. Then select these 2 layers, reflection layers, and connect to properties. Let's see. So nice. Then select this well back 1, well back 2, black, well 1, well 2, and body, window 2, reflection, window 3, and this main, and click this icon and this icon for hide layers, and select this window 2. Let's go to wrenchel tool and make mask. Okay. Then open mask 1 and make mask path. Okay. Go to 10 keyframe and select these 2 mask pins and hold shift, move to down. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice. Then go to again here and make slider. Select this slider, press S, change size, move to here and select these 2 layers and click connect to properties. Nice. Let's see how to work it. Okay, nice, very nice. So select this window 1 and click for hide shape and select this shape layer, C connector and hide. Okay, nice. Our rig is done. Duik Bassel 2 and okay, nice. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.